In this lesson, we'll learn how to group display objects. On the screen, there are two groups. Each group consists of an image object and a text object. Groups allow us to affect combinations of display objects. Let's begin by creating a new image object. We'll also create a new text object. Okay, we'll take a look at what we have so far, and we see that the image and the text are at the top left corner of the screen. Now what we'll do is we'll create a group and insert these objects within the group. Okay, so we've created the group using the new group method of the display object. Then we'll call the group and use its insert method and pass the object we wish to insert. Now, the insertion from top to bottom will determine the ordering of the images from back to front. So foo image will appear in the back, and then bar will appear on top. So there's no appreciable difference yet. That's because we need to do some positioning. So first let's position foo image. We'll do it after we have inserted it within the group. And now the positioning is relative to the group. So 0, 0 here would be 0, 0 of the group, not of the screen. Then we'll position bar text. And we'll set it relative to foo image. So here, the x of bar text is the same as the x of foo image. And for the y, we'll set it equal to 80 pixels below the foo image y. Okay, and we'll take a look. And so now let's position the group. Positioning the group will position all of the inner contents as well. And here we'll set it equal to the center of the screen on the x, but minus 60 pixels, so 60 pixels to the left of the center of the screen. For the y, it'll be dead center of the vertical of the screen. And there we go. So now let's repeat this process again, and we'll copy all of this code, paste it, and then change some variables. So let's change our group 1 to group 2. Then we'll change our foo image to bar image. Okay, then we'll change bar text to foo text. And we'll scan to see if we missed anything. So now we're using group 2, and we've inserted the bar image first, which is here. Then foo text, which is here on line 30. Okay, we need to change the positioning. We won't go 60 pixels to the left, instead 60 pixels to the right. And let's take a look. And there we go. There we have the two groups. Each of the groups has two display objects with the display objects positioned relative to the groups. And then the groups are positioned relative to the stage. A group is a display object, and so it can be affected like any other display object. You can change its rotation, its alpha, or any other display object property. This ends our lesson on grouping display objects.